Land birds. This is a pigeon.
Pigeons are beautiful, pretty.
This is a turkey.
They are feathery.
This is a peafowl.
A peafowl is so halfway pretty. Because it's brown, I don't like.
Oh, these are both peafowls. These are both peafowls. That's the boy and that's the girl. It's just a weird thing with birds.
That's it. Ridiculous.
This is an emu.
Emus are really brown.
They come from Australia.
They come from Australia.
Australia.
Whatever.
This is a canary.
Canaries are really pretty and beautiful and yellow and black and gray.
And orange.
And orange.
This is a parrot.
Parrots look really pretty.
This is an eagle.
Eagles are scary.
I think they look very regal.
Regal.
Yeah, regal.
This does not make sense.
This is a vulture.
This is a vulture, and they are so blacky, orangey, yellowy, orangey, blacky.
Okay, I get it.
Megan or Caitlin?
This is an owl.
I think I know.